Hi! Have you ever known the process of Baruak get coconut from a tree? So today, I'll show you how people here utilize the Baruak to get coconut from a tree. Let's go! Pigtail macaque or a Baruak is a type of primate trained by people in West Sumatra to harvest coconuts from a tree. The Baruak is fed with the food such as rice, vegetables, and fruits. It takes a Baruak around 1 to 2 years to become skilled, depending on the monkey itself. A well-trained Baruak with many skill can be priced at 5 to 8 million rupiah. Becoming a Baruak hunter is not easy. They must first establish a close bond and have a complete patience. The fallen coconuts are then collected. Then, harvest coconut are then opened with a sulo, a special coconut opening tool. The service of harvesting coconut with the Baruak is not paid with the money. It depends on agreement for the division of coconut between both parties. People in Minangkabau still use this service. Besides not spending money, it also reduces the risk of an accident from falling out of a tree. Cool, alright? Want to see this more? Let's go to West Sumatra.